Chapter 21. Making lean work for you. To make lean really work, we keep things simple and take action without delay. Complex ideas slow us down and make things harder. Here are my 10 top tips to make lean powerful and keep it fun for everyone. 1. The leader leads lean. For lean to succeed, the top leader must believe in it and set an example. They should never leave it to others to figure out alone. 2. Daily team huddles. Meeting as a team every day keeps us strong. Just like a sports team before a big game, we talk about improvements, solve problems, and share lean ideas. It's how we stay ready to win every day. 3. Learn the 8 wastes. Everyone should know the 8 wastes, like overproduction and waiting. Understanding these helps us spot waste and fix it right away. 4. Simple before and after videos. Record quick videos of improvements using your phone. These videos show what changed and why it's better. They don't need to be perfect. Just keep them simple to inspire others. 5. Point to yourself first. Before blaming others for waste, look at your own work. Each of us has room to improve. A true lean leader sets an example instead of pointing fingers. 6. Fix what bugs you. Start by improving things that frustrate you. If something doesn't feel smooth or easy, that's a sign it can be improved. 7. Focus on flow. Work should keep moving without stopping. If it stalls, that's a sign of waste. Keeping things flowing helps everyone work better. 8. Lead by example. If you want others to do lean, show them through your actions. When you make lean work for you, others will naturally want to join. 9. Use your influence. Even if you're not the boss, you can still make a difference by improving the things you work on. Small changes will inspire others. 10. Choose simple solutions. When solving problems, look for easy fixes. The simplest answer is often the best. By following these steps, we keep lean easy and powerful. Each small improvement helps us work faster and smarter, and when everyone does lean, it makes everything more enjoyable. The one thing: lean makes work fun. Lean is all about finding new ways to make things easier and better, and when it's fun, it feels like having dessert after dinner. If you're not enjoying it, you might be missing the best part. Win with lean. Look for a way to make a task more enjoyable today, like adding a fun twist to organizing your desk or racing yourself to finish a chore. Lean means learning, improving, and having a good time along the way. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 21, we learn that lean works best when it's simple and fun. Taking fast and easy action makes improvement part of your everyday routine. Lean is more fun when you enjoy the process, so keep it simple and make it something you look forward to. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Chapter 20 taught us to help others get better. Chapter 21 showed us that lean is simple and fun. Now let's go to Chapter 22.